Hello guys, and welcome back to another unboxing video. Yes, it has been a while since I've done one because majority of the money went towards school, back to college. So yeah, let's get the unboxing out the way. Well worth. This is a package from Buffalo Road Imports. This package was originally supposed to be sent to my college post box, but for some reason it's been sent to my home address. Luckily someone was home at the time, so yes, I understand that, but alright, let's get this unboxing out the way. Less chatter, more cutting the box open. Now, I've always wanted this model for a while. I was about to get one, but I got something else. I think that was the I think it was some of the model. I think it was the Komatsu High Reach that I got instead. Newspapers. Voila. It's actually bigger than I thought. Here it is. The Joal Volvo EC650 Mass Excavator. This is got a booklet. Look at that later. This is Excavator 1 out of possibly 4. Yes, I'm thinking about doing some customizations to the excavator, including putting on a shear. Another one is turning into a high reach, and the third one is unknown at this time. Here it is. Tracks are nice. Pistons are nice and stiff, especially the bucket one. Holy, the bucket one is. I'll worry about that later. Here's the rear of it. Spins 360 degrees. So yeah, that is the unboxing for today. Oh boy, cooperate with me. Thank you. So please comment, rate, and subscribe, and see you guys next time. And also there will be a review of the Volvo EC280 if I have the time this weekend. Sorry, I've been stalling a lot because, well, I'm back in college now, so be on the lookout for a review of that excavator, and see you guys next time. Peace out.